Does wearing sunscreen prevent you from manufacturing your own vitamin D? Currently, both indoor and outdoor studies have shown inconsistent results when it comes to wearing sunscreen creams and their effects on blood levels of vitamin D. For this reason, until we get a consensus from the research community, continuing to follow your usual vitamin D supplement regime while on vacation may be the best way to maintain your vitamin D levels, even if you're going to a tropical destination. This way, you aren't depending on higher levels of potentially cancer-causing UV radiation to maintain your vitamin D levels. What role does vitamin D play in immunity? It increases the production of antimicrobial proteins that provide a natural defense against disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Studies suggest this vital function is impaired by low blood levels of vitamin D and is associated with an increased incidence of upper and lower respiratory tract infections in all age groups. It can be difficult to get enough vitamin D from diet alone. That's another reason why taking a vitamin D supplement year-round, even when traveling, is a good idea. Remember, you may be on vacation, but your immune system can't be. Pure Lab's dry form vitamin D3 offers longer lasting potency and is available in both regular and vegan 1000 IU and 2500 IU capsules.